Welcome back to our entertainment news desk. Today's news: popular Kikuyu gospel DJ and an entrepreneur, DJ Macdee, held a beautiful traditional wedding with her long-time fiance, Wahu Kariithi, who also happens to be a presenter. The event took place in Karatina, Nyeri County. The event was mceed by Mc Karangu Wa Muraya as artists led by Njoroge James, Alex Karani, Njeru Thiga, Kinyanya, mwangi, nelly, waiganjo, and many others. In Macdee circle wa JKA crew, Ngoni thuita and gathaiya. Kameme TV news anchors also presented by Maina and also the entertainment DJ Frank. Congratulations to the new couple in town, wishing them the best that comes with marriage. That's all for now. Remember to subscribe and like our video for more updates.